Hello guys, is Genevieve Tabili Norman. Ang ginaw pa. Ito pala yung unang bahay na tinirahan ko before. I live here before for almost 10 years. May guys, may nag-rent dito guys. Someone is renting this house. But first I lived this house for almost 10 years. This is our house first. Then ito yung pangalawa. At saka doon yung pangatlo. We are living in the forest. The father is an architecture. Huwag kayong magtataka because the father is my father-in-law is finished. He is dead. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo na ito talaga yung unang bahay na he is renovating before. Matagal na siya guys. Ito talaga yung bahay namin. Dito na talaga kasi ako nakatira. It's cold, very cold. Basta ito yung una. At saka ito yung malaki, yung sa gitna. Kasi architect kasi yung father-in-law ko guys. It's cold. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. It's cold pa. Bye.